Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2017 Suzuki DR650S Dual Sport. This bike just arrived with only 43 miles on the odometer. Perfect condition. What can I say? The guy just didn't ride it. Come on by and make your Dual Sport 650 dreams come true with this gorgeous black Dual Sport. This bike is priced to sell very fast, $49.99. This thing is not going to be here long. Do not sleep on this one. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.